I'm going to do a challenge of walking as many steps as I can today. I think I'm going to do, well, at the zoo, I'm going to do, let's see, 2,000 steps, not 200, 2,000 steps. And I'm currently at, let's see, 2810. So 4810 by the time we leave. Or maybe I should do 3,000. So 5810. We'll see. Okay, we're leaving the zoo right now. And I did manage to walk 6,000 steps. I guess I did underestimate myself. So next time when I do this challenge, I'm going to really make sure I have a bigger amount to beat. Because today was just a breeze in terms of beating this challenge. So, challenge was a pass because I beat it, but challenge was a fail because it wasn't hard to beat. Bye. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please give this a thumbs up and subscribe. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below and I'll answer them as soon as I can. Thank you.